A camping cot can keep you warm, elevated, and comfortable outdoors. When it comes to your camping adventures, a comfortable night's sleep can certainly be an attainable goal with the proper gear. And while you may want to opt for just a sleeping pad supported by the ground, you may still find yourself tossing and turning from the variably rough terrain. There are many camping cots to choose from with different features and prices. I researched and compiled a list of the best camping cots from top brands. These products can really help people like you. Check the description for pricing and details. Let's get into the video. Number 1. King Camp Folding Camping Cot Type. The King Camp Folding Camping Cot is the ultimate solution for comfortable outdoor sleeping, designed to accommodate individuals under 6 feet and 2 inches and support up to 264 pounds. Constructed with heavy-duty carbon steel tube bracket, a symmetrical triangular structure, 10-point ground support design, and anti-slip feet, it ensures even weight distribution and stability. Made with durable, thick double-layer 1000 Oxford polyester that is breathable and waterproof. This cot features a tilt angle design and built-in cotton pad for optimal comfort, minimizing back, neck, or shoulder pain. When not in use, it folds into a compact size that fits effortlessly into the included carrying bag in most car trunks. With open dimensions measuring 74 inches long, 26 inches wide, and 18.9 inches tall, and folded dimensions of 6 inches long, 9 inches wide, and 41 inches tall, weighing just 12.5 pounds. Number 2. Teen Sports Camping Cot. The Teton Sports Camping Cot is a game changer for outdoor sleeping with its pivot arm revolution that makes setup a breeze. No more wrestling with that fourth corner, thanks to the built-in lever that simplifies the process. This sturdy cot boasts a reinforced steel X-leg assembly that strengthens and provides stability, ensuring a hassle-free camp setup. Elevate your camping experience by getting off the ground and sleeping free from rocks and uneven surfaces. Enjoying the comfort of a bed in the great outdoors and waking up refreshed. Stronger than a twin mattress and supporting up to 400 pounds. This cot size truly matters, providing ample space and support for a restful night's sleep. When it's time to pack up, it folds up for easy transport with a convenient pack weight of just 20 pounds. Number 3. Disco Bed Large with Organizers. The Disco Bed Large with Organizers is a versatile and robust camping solution that requires no tools for assembly, allowing you to easily configure it as 2 single beds, convert them into a bunk, or even transform it into a bench without any hassle. Featuring a robust anti-rust steel frame with rugged durability and stability, it ensures a level sleeping surface even on uneven terrain, while the absence of a middle leg or center brace allows the high-grade polyester sleeping deck to conform to your body for true contoured, eliminating the need for a mattress. Bunk it, bench it, turn it into 2 cots. The possibilities are endless, making it the perfect choice for camping, tailgating, or even hosting overnight guests at home. With its versatile configurations and robust construction, the Disco Bed Large with Organizers is a must-have for anyone seeking a comfortable and adaptable sleeping solution in the great outdoors or at home. Number 4. Coleman Camping Cot. The Coleman Camping Cot combines a portable twin air mattress and sturdy cot, making it ideal for camping and accommodating guests with its comfort-strong coil system, ensuring a firm and supportive sleep surface, while the airtight system with double lock valve prevents any leakage. The durable steel cot supports up to 300 pounds and accommodates most people up to 6 feet tall, providing a comfortable sleeping solution for all. Quick inflation is achieved with a 4-battery pump battery sold separately, and an integrated side table with cup holder adds convenience. Number 5. Horizon Code Foldable Camping Cot. The Horizon Cot Foldable Camping Cot by Mountain Summit Gear is designed for the ultimate outdoor experience, allowing you to spend less time setting up camp and more time lounging under the stars while creating a comfortable sleeping surface for the outdoors, usable with or without a sleeping bag. Perfect for on-the-go adventures, its easy fold steel frame, side pocket for storage, and carrying bag make it great for traveling, with the 600 denier polyester fabric ensuring comfort, strength, and durability to hold up to 300 lbs. This versatile camping cot fits in most camping tents, but can also double as a comfortable guest bed when you need extra sleeping spots at home. The Horizon Coat by Mountain Summit Gear is your gateway to unforgettable camping experiences, combining convenience, durability, and luxurious relaxation in one ingenious design. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel and hit the bell notification. To get more information, or if you want to know product price, please check my video description. For any kind of queries, please comment below so I can help you further. Life is short, so enjoy every bit of your life with our cool products, as it is going to make your life easier. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.